God reveals to redeem. I have prayed, I have fasted, I have donated, and I have built. And through my prayers, I got another vision. And in the vision, when you look at the number of people coming all over the country, all over the world into the ark, the expansion of the ark couldn't contain them. So I shared my vision to some great men of God who also interceded with me. After the intercession, God has given us some time to build more arks in addition to the 10 that will contain all of us. So tomorrow, nobody should rush to any location. I am not selling tickets. I am not taking money from anyone also. So please, stay home, enjoy yourself, have fun. And also, I am wishing all of you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Still, the ark is there. Repent. 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 God bless you.